ground. So it's going to come in contact with the ground. We're going to pull and see how much force I need to pull it at a slow speed.
Don't pull yet. Almost done.
Then we're going to pull the same bag on a different surface. We're going to try the carpet. And then we're going to try concrete.
Outside.
And then we're going to try...
Grass?
What else?
Sand?
Well, I wanted to try maybe... Oh, sand would be good. Grass would be neat. I was going to see if I could...
An important little gym bag.
I would like something more slippery. Maybe the marble tile upstairs. Just out, not inside the church, but just down the outside. That's slippery. This isn't too slippery. We'll see. We'll see what... If it takes more force...
Oh, what about the water? Or the sink? Make some...
Okay.
Why would you put on in the sink?
Today's experiment, we're doing friction.
Okay. So, what you need to do... okay, first of all, I need to get my sheet out. Great force. You're going to need, eventually, you're going to fill in your sheet as well. So you'll need a pencil.
Get your sheet. Okay.
Forces on a sliding box. So I'm using a bag.
Okay.
Can I do the pulling?
Well, we'll let the Great Force, it's their experiment. So, use a table below to record your observations.
On a sliding box.
That's right. Put a hook on the spring scale through 2 openings of a box. Well, 2 hooks of my bag.
Looks like I'm going to have to cut some stuff.
Oh, are you recording it or are you just taking photos?
He's recording.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just take photos.
Slowly drag the box
Better.
across the table or a desk. Be sure to pull the spring scale straight out from the sliding box. So you want to make sure it's held straight. Okay? Practice this several times until you can pull the box steady and slowly. So let's turn our bag around here. And you're going to practice pulling it steady and slow.
Who's going to go first?
Well, Daniela's ready, so...
Hey, I'm ready too.
No, where's your sheet?
Well, your sheet is on the floor, and that's Heidi. That's not science. Okay, Danielle. So what you need to do is you can hold this. You can pull it slowly, slow and steady, so it's not moving. Good. Keep pulling. Good. So we're reading that it's about 4. Keep pulling. Now I'm going to read. Yes, it's 4. Good. Okay. Good. Now I'm 3. So you can try pulling. Okay. And ooh, good. Just starts moving. I see it. It's about, what do you think? 6, 7, almost 7, 6.5. Very good. Nice pulling, even and steady. Okay.
Wait, 6.5.
Is that your book?
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay.
6.5.
Let's move to the start. You up here? So it's smoother. Now it's smoother. Do you think it's going to be easier to pull this or harder? Easier. Well, let's see. Let's make a prediction. It took 4 pounds to move it on here. Take a guess. How many pounds to move it over here? It's going to take 8 pounds of force. So it's going to be even harder to pull it than carpet.
Which is 2.
Does that make sense? 2. That sounds better.
I think
3? Maybe 3. That's less than 4.
Yeah, finish 2. Okay.
Well, you got to start last time, so maybe we'll try Andres to start this time. So you need to try to keep it on this. Good. Oh, interesting. Good. Keep it nice, steady speed. You want to look at it?
Can't see the numbers.
Can't see the numbers? Danielle, you want to look? What's the number? It's good. Keep it nice, steady speed.
2.
About 2, yeah.
About 2.5.
Good. Okay. So let's. You can write down 2.5 on yours. Daniela? What line does it go to? Underneath.
10. No.
No.
Oh, wait.
To the
8.
bottom of it.
8.5.
No,
9.
you're
9.
reading,
9. 9.
You're reading from the top. You need to read underneath.
9. 8.5.
No, you're reading 9. You're reading from the top. You need to read underneath.
Oh,
Do you understand?
I didn't know. Okay, under.
Yes, underneath. What's underneath there?
10.5.
10.5. Very good.
4.
Each of these is worth... No, that's fine. Each of these is worth 5 pounds. Approximately 5 pounds. So that's about 10.5. You're right. So let's put 3 of them in. 5 plus 5 plus 5. What do we expect it's going to be about? About 15. Let's check that. reading from underneath.
It is.
Yeah, it's about 15. It should be between 14 and 16, right?
Mm-hmm. It is.
I should say 16.
Is it closer to 16? It's getting
Yes.
close to 16?
Yes,
It might,
maybe.
because these are not exactly, ouch, 15 pounds. These are measured in kilograms. These are measured in kilograms.
So
2.5
that's
kilograms.
measured in pounds?
2.5 kilograms is a little bit bigger than 5 pounds.
So this is measured in pounds?
It measures in pounds
And this is
and
measured
kilograms on this side.
Okay.
So let's read the kilogram side this time. This is 2.5. You could also read the kilogram side. Read this side now.
7 kilograms.
7.
No. 7 and 1. 1.
Well, we only have halves or wholes. Let's try again. Okay, 7 and it's not quite. Oh yes, this is sorry. You're right. 1/4.
1/4.
Okay, 7 1/4. So a little bit more than 7. Okay. Now that's the bell?
Yes.
Okay. Well, what I'll give to you for homework then.
We're done?
That's it. Is it going to be as slippery as tile? Is it going to be less slippery like carpet?
I'm going to do 8.
You're going to say more slippery than carpet? Tell me. Okay.
Yeah, because before
What are your thoughts? Why do you think there's more friction? Okay. There's more stuff in the grass. Right, if it hits something, that's going to be a lot of friction, won't it? If it hits a stone, you're going to have to go boom, boom to get over it. Maybe. Good.
grass is more
Okay,
bumpier.
let's get the boys to try to pull it now. Okay,
Who's the
nice.
boys?
You guys.
Oh.
Alright, let's turn it this way.
Oh, what's
And then you need to come and read it. Ooh, okay. And just so it starts moving. What is the speed there?
The 8.5.
That's actually between 8 and 10, so I think it's 9. More like 9. Good,
Yeah.
good
I
point.
was about to say.